Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Delta Mobile key or Delta Executor key on your phone. So first of all, you have to click on the receive key button and a website or some URL will be copied automatically to your clipboard. So our goal is to send that link to our PC. So what I will do, I will send that link to myself on WhatsApp, and then I will open WhatsApp on my PC or laptop, and I will paste that URL on the URL section on my web browser on my PC, and it will open this page. You can also do it on your phone, but it is not working right now on my phone. So I will click on continue. It will open a spam tab. I will close that. Click on continue again. Now it is asking me to complete 2 steps. The first one is to download the best gaming browser. I don't know what browser it is. Maybe it's infected or not. Let's find out. So it will open the Opera browser. Now it is a good browser, I think. So I will download that browser. So it is not detecting the download. So I will click on the second reward, which is you've been invited to take advantage of this exclusive opportunity. I will select it as my phone. I will just select random things. Click on get offer. Let's go back. The first one is now completed. I don't know what about the second one. I'm still waiting. As you can see, both rewards have been completed. I will simply click on the unlock content, wait 4 seconds, click on continue. As you can see, it has given me a key. What you have to do is simply copy the key and send it to yourself on WhatsApp, and then open the game again on your phone. Now in the enter key section, you have to paste in the key that you have copied from your PC. Click on the send button or click on continue. As you can see, the key has been accepted, and that's simply how you can get Delta Mobile key. And yes, remember, you have to delete the browser you have downloaded because you don't want to use that. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.